So in this video, I'm going to show you how to modify your MailChimp email template. To modify your email template, you can log into your MailChimp dashboard and then you go to campaigns. There you will find an option called email templates. Now click on this email templates and you will find a couple of email templates listed over here which are created in past. Now I'm going to create a new template. So click on create template and then choose whichever design you want to use. So for example, I want to use this design, but these designs are not available in free plan. So I may start using either simple text or I may use this one column design. I don't want to use logo right now, so I will delete this logo. And here is it's time to design your email, and now you can, so let me put content over here. So I already prepared a content that I want to use in my Evernote. I will copy this content and I'll just paste it over here. And this is my HP ProBook 650 G5. Okay, and so I will remove this, and I can also delete this because this is not required, and delete this, and remove other links. Remember, don't remove this, update your preferences and unsubscribe from email. Now your template has been modified. If you want to use any images or any photo, then you can also do it like this. You can add image like this, upload image from your desktop or laptop. You can also add button, which is your call to action, and put link to your website. Click on save and close. Now save and exit. Name your template, let us say. So I'm giving Sastadi's laptop. Now you can see this template has been created, and if you want to use this template for your campaign, so you just need to just click on this button and you can click on create campaign, add your recipients, add from address, add subject, and you can send your campaign. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, you can definitely WhatsApp me.